Luto ng dinner niya. What? What you making? Please tell me. Tapos niya yung bread, oh. Bread with tuna daw. Ito yung, lagyan niya yung tuna, yung bread and cheese. This is new. How did you know this? Huh?
Fine.
Bread with tuna. Where?
Si Imo. Ito ka.
Okay. Ito na guys, oh. Yung bread and tuna, hindi nilagay niya doon, fried niya. Yung tuna, nilagay niya yung tuna sa bread and then cheese and then fried niya. May pinagmanahan talaga ito.